Hi, this is Jodhimani Kalyanam, Sridhanya Smart Service. We are providing sticker cutting machines. So first time you see our channel, please subscribe and click the bell button. So then only our videos has come to your inbox regularly. So sticker cutting machine details, videos and updates stay our channel. So friends, let's go to the videos. Welcome to Sridhanya Smart Service. You see that our machine packages, cutting plotter packages. You see this is a Skycut C24 cutting plotter. And JK721 cutting plotter package and Saga vinyl cutter cutting plotter package. So Skycut C24 cutting plotter, crash weight 14 kg, measurement 1000 mm, length 310 mm, width 265 mm, breadth. So color red. This is JK721, model number GA504, crash weight 19 kg, size measurement 95 cm, length 34 cm, breadth 43 cm, height. So and Saga 720i stepper motor cutting plotter, crash weight 27.5 kg, dimensions 97 cm, length 34 cm, breadth 43 cm, height. So in this video, very useful to you. Watch regularly our channel. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching Jodhimani Kalyanam.